Martha here with you, and this is my third design team project for Country Craft Creations for August, and I am still using the Happy Haunting collection, but I challenged myself a little bit with this one to create a fall folio because I found there was lots of pages in there that really read more fall to me than Halloween, so it was kind of a really fun challenge. So it has an 1.25 inch spine, and it is 7 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I just did a seam binding closure here. And on the front here, I've used a few of the chipboard stickers, and then I just used some of the papers and distressed them in various different ways. And this is just a circle die cut here, and then the back is just some more of that pretty paper. So it opens up like this, and it has a double waterfall here. So this side comes down, and then this side comes down. So that's really fun, and there is a full tutorial for this folio, so you will get to learn how to make that element. And then if we flip open to this side here, there is a large pocket here. And then over here, we have a little tuck spot here. So this comes out, and it's actually what holds this closed here. It opens up like that to the side. And then there's a pocket here with a large tag. And then there's also a pocket back here with a large insert. And then they just close up like this. And then, got myself mixed up there for a second. And then like this. It's a really cute little closure. And then if we come over here to the other side of the folio, we have a stacked pocket here with 2 inserts there. And then over here, there is a magnetic closure, and I used 2 of the little chipboard stickers there. And then this just opens up like this and like this. And then it just closes again magnetically, and this pops onto the top of it. And then it all just folds back in like so. And it is a super cute, super quick folio to do. I created it and decorated it all in one day, so very quick. And if I had had dedicated time, I could have probably done it in a couple of hours, but I was just doing it and then coming back to it a couple times. So it definitely could be much quicker. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and remember, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and everything I used for this will be linked down below this video. And the cut list for this project will be below this video, and it will also be below the tutorial, and the tutorial will also be linked below. All right, have a wonderful day, everybody.